Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw money from USDT in 2025. If you're holding USDT or Tether and want to convert it into cash, you're in the right place. USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a go-to for crypto users looking for stability amidst market ups and downs. By 2025, with crypto regulations tightening, withdrawing will be even more streamlined, but the basics remain key. Let's break it down step by step. First, ensure you have a verified account on a reputable exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. These platforms will be even more user-friendly by 2025, with enhanced security features. Start by logging in and navigating to your USDT wallet. Double-check your balance to confirm how much you're working with. Next, head to the withdrawal section. Select USDT as your asset, then choose your preferred withdrawal method. Options might include bank transfer, debit card, or even direct fiat conversion. For bank withdrawals, enter your bank details carefully. Always use two-factor authentication to stay safe. Remember, fees can vary, so look out for network fees on chains like Tron or Ethereum, which USDT often runs on. In 2025, expect lower fees thanks to advancements in blockchain tech. Once you've entered the details, review everything. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Processing times could take minutes to a few days, depending on the network and your location. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations. Finally, after withdrawal, track your funds and consider reinvesting or diversifying. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets and avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.